Ẹ káàbọ̀ sórí ìkànnì yìí. Tó bá jẹ́ ìgbà àkọ́kọ́ tí ẹ̀ ń bá mi pàdé rèé, ẹ bá mi like, ẹ comment, ẹ share, kẹ́ subscribe. Àwọn ohun tí ẹ máa wò lórí ìkànnì yìí, òun ni àwọn ohun tí ó ń lọ láwùjọ wa tó sì máa kọ́ wa lọ́gbọ́n. Ẹ máa bá mi ká lọ.
He called us back, he gave us some food stuff. He now gave us another 25,000, picking 50,000. But at Odijabu Day, he said he gave us 100,000. But in as much as he claimed he gave 100,000, is 100,000 enough to groom me or to take care of even only me, the place of her? I don't think it's enough. But we still don't complain. But he did. But in the eyes of many, he claims to do so. But I came, let there be genuine help from everybody. Let there be genuine help. If we have been settled like others, I promise there will not be disturbance. As far as his words can make us up, it will make us up. I'm somebody that is smart and I know how to talk. I know how to do modeling. I'm good at such. I make nails, I fix lashes, I can make hair. I do a lot, I can do makeup. I can also perform, I can also act. Go into acting. People have used me on their pages to act some things for them, and I go through it and do it, but I still don't get any. But I know I'm the daughter of a multi-billionaire, but it doesn't show. I'm not proud enough to say I'm the daughter of so. In the presence of my mates, I hide. I behave myself, I comport myself, but I still don't have.
It is actually unfair for any parent to treat their child this way. It is actually unfair for any parent to think that this is okay. You see, we've all been joking and smiling and everything since yesterday, but there are some parts of that girl's story that really broke me. The part where she said that she has friends and she feels ashamed whenever she's amongst her friends. Do you know how bad it feels to know that your father has money, that your father can afford to give you some basic things, but is not doing it? Do you know how heartbreaking it is to know that your father is helping other people, giving people money, to be watching television and be seeing people spray your father bundle of money, and knowing that one cup of that money is not going to reach your hands? That girl is saying that she doesn't care about the relationship between her father and her mother, but her father should at least do something for her. I've seen a lot of people saying she's feeling entitled, this and that, but she's a very young girl. She's been exposed to a lot of hardship, and that hardship has actually affected the way she thinks. She needs to be rescued from that mentality very fast, because that kind of mentality is going to bring hatred. She's already singing songs to sob her father, which means that she's already very upset at the fact that all of this is happening to her. She's too young. She's too young to be saying that she wants to hustle, she wants to make money. It's unfair. See, a lot of our big men in Nigeria, a lot of them cannot survive abroad, especially those musicians. They will not be able to survive. By the time they pay 10, 15 child support from the money that they are making from Lagbo, they will sit tight. They will sit tight. It's not nice. I don't think it's okay. There must be something behind a man always abandoning his children. This is not the first time. We were all here when Omo ti bo wale, and people were rejoicing. And I was saying it that day that all of you that are rejoicing because this man decided to accept his son back, you are the ones giving this kind of people leverage to make them think that what they are doing is right. Yes, we keep blaming the women. We keep blaming the women. Why would a woman know that this so man has a wife, has other children, and she still allows him to sleep with her? Somebody even said she might be vulnerable. No. Let's always take accountability as women. A lot of women are attracted to celebrities. They don't care. A lot of women will know that these celebrities have wives, they have children, they've abandoned their other kids, but they will still have children for them. But let's also talk about these celebrities who don't own up to their efforts too. Why do they have to always chase you with your children? Why do they have to always run around telling you to come and accept your own child? If truly this man knows that he has a child with this woman and he's seeing this girl languish in poverty without any proper care, then it's not fair. Somebody said something on a platform that I saw yesterday that even the grown-up children, a lot of them were brought up and trained by their mothers. And this is the kind of man some of you are still having children for. As we are speaking, I am telling you that if a lot of women start having the courage to come and speak up, this man would have more children outside. I'm sure he has more and more children like that. Maybe a lot of their mothers have just decided to back him. That what will they do? It's not fair. How can you be watching your child suffer when you know that it takes you nothing to just give them something to take care of her for you? I don't understand. I don't know. Is there something behind abandoning children? Blood is not running down this man's vein. Is there no bond that is attracting you to your children? You will know that you have a child outside and that your child is suffering and you will not care. How? I'm trying to understand though. Yes, the woman is to blame because she was a consensual adult. But what of the man? We're going to also blame him too now. Every time people will be saying women should go and abort pregnancy, they should take responsibilities, knowing fully well that it is a thing that happened between the two of you. This is not fair. This girl is already feeling entitled. She's already very bitter. Her mentality right now, she's revengeful. She's already saying that Tebi, her daddy accepted this one. Shebi, one of her sisters is driving kinikon car. Another one is doing kinikon. That's what happens when you feel abandoned and you see that your father's other children are doing okay. It is normal for her to feel the way she's feeling. She's a young girl. She's feeling very bitter and bad. And I pray that she sees help on time. I pray she's rescued. I pray that meaningful Nigerians who just want to help her, I pray they're able to help her. And I hope that maybe her father will be able to do something for her. People are saying that he's one person that you can drag him from now till next year. If he doesn't want to respond, he will not respond. But I hope that God will touch his heart this time so that he would at least do something for that girl. I don't think that any child deserves this. It is not her fault. She never begged to be brought to this world. No child should have to beg for their father's love, for any of their parents' love. Even if it were to be a mother that a child is begging for their love, it is not fair. A lot of these men, once they have money like this, they will prefer to spend that money outside so that people will be praising them. But you see the people that really, really need their help, their blood. Somebody even said that one of his children is selling moi. Maybe it's rich people, moi, I don't know. I've been seeing a lot of comments since yesterday, but I just feel bad for this girl. In all of this, I feel very bad for her. I pray she finds all the help that she needs. It's not fair. It's not fair. And women, let me tell you, being with a rich man does not automatically mean that you'll be rich. Oh. Pray to meet a kind man. So a kind-hearted man will never, ever watch you suffer. A kind-hearted man will never watch you and your child suffer. Lie.